Recently involved in a discussion about fire starting and some common myths in fire starting. Some are of the belief that you cannot use a piece of flint and a folding pocket knife. This one happens to have an old carbon steel blade. This is something I picked up at a flea market. It's an old-timer knife, just a little Stockman pocket knife. But can't use that to create a spark. And I use char cloth. I've got it in a film canister here. So let's see if we can disproving of the myth, if you will. I believe you can. Granted, it's not always the easiest thing to do, especially when you're using a small knife. Let's see if we can get that going here. And here, hopefully you can see that that char cloth has caught a spark. Put that in a tinder bundle of grass and leaves or twine that you brought with you, sisal rope. And that's using a piece of flint and an old-timer knife to throw a spark into a piece of char cloth. Thanks for watching.